family. Black Phoenix checking in with you right now. I was asked a small question. How could you use welding to be financially free? And when we're talking about being financially free, we're talking about having the income you need to take care of yourself, to, enjoy life and to do, do the things that you like to do. And to me personally, there's a few things you can do, but I'm gonna tell you the main thing you can do to be financially free with using welding is making your own products. Um, a lot of us are artists, so I mean, you can design different things, man. It can be from buildings, from artwork, from different structures. It can be different uh, pipe structures of welding. I mean, it can be a lot of different things that you can do. But if you have a product and a service, then with welding, it can make you be financially free faster because once you get the equipment needed to do the job, then you can actually go out, do the job, and come back and still have leisure time. Or you can have a crew that you can train to go out and do certain jobs after you get the job and get the bid and get everything, lined out. So there's a few ways to look at it. But I would most definitely say a product is very, very important. And another reason why a product is important is because when you have a good product, people don't necessarily know who the product is coming from. All they know is, hey, word of mouth say this is it. Everybody is getting it. It's a good thing. You can always win that way. And you don't have to shake a lot of people's hand. You don't have to brown nose. You don't have to, if you're not a people person, you don't have to be around a lot of people, go to a lot of meetings. All you have to do is build a product and have it somewhere where it's available, or have it online where someone can see it and order it, or however the situation may go. You see what I'm saying? And but you have to also have something that's good. And in today's age, people always say there's nothing new under the sun. So when you think about that, we tend to think, oh, well, can nobody create a new thing? Yeah, you can create a completely new thing, but you can also improve an existing thing. So there can be things that you can probably be working on or operating on, and you go like, man, this would be a lot better if I can do this or that, and you can make a product for that um, product, if that makes sense. So I mean, there's many ways to do it, and also having a service. To me, I think that anytime the economy goes down, which the economy been booming, so we're gonna have our stretch where it's gonna slow down, and you know what's gonna keep going? Services. So if you have your equipment and you have a team that can go do a service, go maintain some equipment, go repair something, then you're gonna have some financially freedom because people gonna pay for that, because they might not be able to go and get some extra stuff or some decorative things on their homes or this and this, but they want to make sure that their business is constant running. They don't want to lose no money in that way. So if you have a mobile welding service or an installing service, then you can always help in that way too. Going out and doing repairs. So that's also a way to be financially free. So I think that you should learn about the independence of welding. And in my seminar that I'm working on, that I'm getting together, it's called The Independence of Welding, because I feel like once you learn what welding can do for any culture, um, it can give you financially freedom and independence. You can be able to grab it. You can learn from others. You can work for others. Then you can start working with others and working for yourself. Hold on, Black Phoenix.